Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super practical: how to connect your bank accounts to Mint. If you're new here, Mint is a fantastic app that helps you track your spending, set budgets, and take control of your finances. Connecting your bank accounts is the key to making Mint work its magic, giving you real-time updates on your balances and transactions. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have a Mint account. If you don't, download the app from your app store or head to the Mint website and sign up. It's quick and free. Once you're logged in, look for the Accounts tab, usually at the bottom of the app or on the left sidebar if you're on desktop. Tap or click on it to open up your account overview. Next, hit the Add Accounts button. You'll see a list of popular banks and financial institutions. Search for your bank by name or scroll through the options. Once you find it, select it and enter your online banking credentials, like your username and password. Don't worry, Mint uses bank-level security, so your info is safe. After that, you might need to verify your identity. This could involve answering security questions, confirming a text code, or even two-factor authentication. Just follow the prompts. It's all about keeping things secure. Once verified, Mint will start importing your account data. This might take a minute or two, depending on your bank. If you run into any issues, like connection errors, double-check your login details or try again later. Mint also has a help section with troubleshooting tips. And remember, you can connect multiple accounts, like checking, savings, or even credit cards, all in one place. There you have it. By connecting your bank accounts to Mint, you'll get a clear picture of your finances, helping you budget smarter and avoid overspending. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more money-saving tips. What's your biggest budgeting challenge? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.